In this set of videos, we are trying to answer one particular question and which has a couple of parts. So the following videos are the solution to that question. So my suggestion is that first you try to answer this question yourself and then look into the videos. Then you'll have a better understanding of the problem. The question given to us is, the population of a town is modeled by P of t equals to 20 times 4t plus 3 divided by 2t plus 5, where population P of t, the population, is measured in thousands and t is the time since 1990. What is the population of the town in 1997? So a common mistake which normally students will do will substitute 1997 for t, and that's a huge mistake. So when you read this kind of problem, you have to understand what the variables are. So one important thing is the population is measured in thousands, right? So whenever you calculate, you'll get some answer. And you have to write that answer in thousands, otherwise your answer is wrong. And if you calculate, then you have to put t is years since 1990. T is not 1997, correct? So the first step is find what t is. So say, well, t is 1997 minus 1990, okay? And that gives you t value of 7. So what you're trying to find out here is population of town in 1997, which strictly means P of 7, right? That is what you're interested in finding. So now it's an easy job. Once you figure this out, you can plug it in and find the answer. So the question gives you the formula, which is 24 times t, and let me write the formula first and then we'll plug it in and find the answer, right? It is 2t plus 5. So P of 7 means substitute 7 for t, right? So we get 20 times 4 times, let's put it in brackets, plus 3 over 2 times 7 plus 5, correct? So that is what it is. So you can use your calculator and find the answer. 4 times 7 is 28, and 28 plus 3 divided by 2 times 7 is 14 plus 5, correct? So it's a good idea to use calculator and find the answer at present. Okay, 20 times 31 over 19, right? So we get 20 divided by 19 times 31. So we get answer as 32.6315, something like this, okay? So the thing here is that, remember, this is in thousands, right? So you got to multiply this by 1,000 to write down the population, right? This is kind of very critical. And then you say population of the town, then you can write down your answer as population in 1997 will be, when you multiply by 1,000, it moves to 3 decimal places, right? So that is what it is. So you can write 32,631, could round it to 632, for example, or 630. So 630 is like rounding, not a bad idea, right? So anyway, so the idea here is that you first find out what t is, right? So t is 1997 minus 1990. And the second thing here is, when you find your answer, then you have to round your answer, and you could do it. So decimal is not required, so I will prefer to write 32,631 as my answer, right? So the important thing is it is in thousands, right? So don't make that mistake. Don't write 32 point or 32 as your answer for this. Thank you.